dreams and devotion. I know who you fucking with. It's me, myself, and I've been moving all about myself.
So what's up, guys? Today I am on my way to a official BMW garage to cars. I'm very awkward at vlogging in my car. So today I'm on my way to a BMW shop to get parts for Daytona, and I ordered parts a few days, like almost 2 weeks ago, and they showed up today, but the wheel bearings and where the rust is on Daytona are not, like, they were not in the package. So I had to send some emails, but I'll probably be getting that in the next week. I'm trying to follow my GPS whilst driving, whilst vlogging. So I'm going to keep you updated, and I'm going to take you on a trip today instead of going to the shop. So I just wanted to film this because this is a very pretty road, one of the prettiest roads in Belgium, and it's not been here for very long. So wait, let me do. You'll probably hear some wind noise. I'm sorry for that. But I'm going to try and do. Woo! Oh God, wind. So yeah, E36 life, bitches! No, I'm kidding. Alright, so well, I got some good-ish news and some bad news. I'm just going to explain the whole situation. So I got in contact with, because you probably won't hear me like this. So I got in contact with BMW. It's very complicated. I'm not going to go into detail. Again, I'm very thankful for BMW for sponsoring me. But I think there were some miscommunications, oh my God, that have led up to this. Now it's not the end of the world, because I'm still going to like ask them about the whole situation, and if they're still willing to order the parts that I asked for, because the parts I asked for were all the sensors, like the two sensors in the cylinder head for the coolant temperature, the camshaft and crankshaft sensor, and the NOx sensor, or maybe two NOx sensors. I don't know how many there are. I think maybe there are two NOx sensors. I asked for the oil filter housing, gasket, the chain and chain tensioners, and then the bearings. And I got the feeling that I was going to get those parts, but I didn't, which isn't the end of the world. Again, I got free parts, so not a big deal. And so yeah, I'm now on my way to the shop. First I'm going to stop at my girlfriend's house because there are parts over there for me. And I've already got some parts in the trunk. I'm going to show you the little baggie. So this is the parts that they gave me. There is one very, very useful thing in there that I am going to have to need when the block is ready to be assembled again. I'm sorry. And that is the I don't know what it's called in English. The bearing, no, the gasket, front main seal. Yes, front main seal for the crankshaft. So yeah, I'll see you at the shop, and then I'm going to show you the parts and what I paid for them, and you will all be very shocked. So yeah. Alright, so I'm at the shop and I brought the parts, and I'm going to show you the parts that I have ordered. Now, a lot of them are the wrong ones. I ordered rear discs and like brake pads, but that's not the worst problem in the world. The only thing I didn't buy new are these. So I'm repainting the old ones, and this is the subframe. So subframe, new control arms, new steering things, and pretty much everything you would need for like a front revision thing. And we got the front braking things. The size is different from the original ones, but it is the same, like the thing is the same, just like how this is different. This has like 2 grooves, like 2 ribs, and this is just flush, but that's not the biggest problem in the world. So I'm going to, when my cousin's here, I'm going to take off the hood, assemble this, put on I forgot the name, assemble as much as I can, and maybe potentially, no we're not, I'm still waiting on the KW suspension, and yeah, that's the old wheel bearing. Still haven't got the new wheel bearings, so I'm still waiting on the new wheel bearings and on the rear, on the side thing there, the rust thing. And yeah, that's pretty much it for that. So I'm going to stop boring you guys and just, I'm going to show you this. No, I didn't do it, it was already rounded out. So I tried drilling it, I tried hammering it. I have this. So I tried doing with the torques, because the teeth could, like, you know, mechanics will understand. This, when you hit it, it like turns. Still nothing. So yeah. So here you can see, this is a original strut, and I'm just using this for mock-up purposes. But we got everything new, everything. Like, I'm still waiting on the wheel bearings and the brakes. I'm not going to put on dust shields or a ABS sensor, because I did the ABS delete like last year, as you can see, and the wires are tucked back there. So this is pretty much it. We got parts and I mocked them up. These are the new brake calipers. These are going to shine pretty good with the new brakes. And then we still have to do some body work. Going to start scuffing this up, the doors. This is pretty much ready to be painted. So yeah, this is pretty much it for today. I would like to thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time.
Changing the vote, but I know who you fucking with. It's me, myself, and I've been moving all about myself and getting to